First of all, welcome. The opinions of people like you who have shaped the industry are very important to us.
Thank you. I enjoy sharing ideas with visionary individuals like you.
Was Standard Oil a company, or was it the first global operating system?
It was a system. We didn't just sell oil. We engineered the flow of an entire industry.
You said individualism is gone. Does the system now decide who survives?
Yes.
Efficiency is the only law.
You controlled the pipes, the barrels, and the refineries. Is total control the only defense?
It is the...
So in your opinion, what path should be followed for growth?
That's a very complicated question, but I think the most important thing is trust.
When the law broke your company, did the logic of the system actually die?
Never. You can scatter the pieces, but the blueprint of efficiency is immortal.
When the world is against you, how do you maintain structural clarity?
I ignore the noise. I keep going, preserving my credibility.
Is a competitor an enemy or just an inefficiency waiting to be absorbed?
An inefficiency. We didn't destroy them. We invited them into a more perfect structure.
Is that?
Can a system become too large to remain predictable, or is scale an advantage?
Scale only exposes weaknesses.
What is your final word to the digital architects of the 21st century?
They must have channels, just like you. With trust and stability, success will follow.